We've had a tornado come through here approximately 3 o'clock this afternoon and pretty much devastated the farm. We have farrowing and breeding operations at this site, Farm 62, and as you can see behind me, completely demolished some of our farrowing houses and did quite a bit of damage to our breeding and gestation barns. We had, I believe there were 6 people at the farm doing normal weekend work, and there were no injuries. We had we have an evacuation, a safety evacuation plan, and that was executed, and people were able to all go to the office. It's a brick building, and then there's a safer area within the building with no windows, so everybody was fine. No injuries at all. At this point, we don't know of any animal losses. Surprisingly, the animals, as we walked around the barns upon arrival, everything is still fine. The farrowing crates protected the animals, or the farrowing stalls protected the animals from the storm itself.